Have you noticed how offering small discounts for buying more can quickly increase your average order value? Shoppers love a good deal, and quantity bundles make it effortless for them to buy more while saving money. To get started, just search for Crucials on the BigCommerce App Store and install it in a few clicks. Once you've installed Crucials, you'll find all the available tools in the sidebar, making it easy to browse and switch between them. Head over to the Quantity Bundle app and enable it with one click. Now, create a new bundle. For example, buy 2, get 10% off, or buy 3, get 15% off. You can fully customize the discount, choose specific products or categories, and even style the bundle design to match your store. Once you're happy with it, hit save and check it out live. Customers will see clear, attractive bundle offers right on your product page, encouraging them to add more items to their cart. Quantity Bundle is just one of over 30 tools in Crucials designed to boost sales and improve your BigCommerce store. Try it today and watch your average order value grow.